In today's class, we are going to draw flesh figure, female back flesh figure. In the previous class, we have learned how to draw the front flesh figure. So for this, we need a block figure first, and then the same way we did in the front, we have to do the same in the back. So drawing the head, what's the difference in the back side is that the neckline will not be visible here because there is no neck visible from the back. So we will draw our head like this way. The shoulder joints like same as the front one. First we have to draw the balls roughly and then make a curve above it. There will be no bust in the back area. There are only hips. So we will give our curve like this way. Less curve on the waist and more on the hip. And to show our hip area, we will give a round like this. Like this way, we will do our back. For the hands, the concept is same as in front. Draw the elbow point first and then from the shoulder to the elbow, draw a straight line and give a little curve from elbow to wrist. You can see there is a very less curve over here and straight from shoulder to elbow. For the hands, we will just give curves around this block only and done. To give a finger impression, you can add on some lines like I did and lines. Coming up to the legs, from the hip curve, just join the curve to the knee point. The knee will also be not visible here in the back portion, but we will get to know that there is a kind of joint here. So what we have to do is here we are not going to show our knee. We are just going to give the curve, the calf curve. Like this. Curvy from above and straight from downward. Ankles also we are not going to show here, the ankle joint, but we will gonna show heels. For the heels, just make a little round like this and then just make it straight like a box. Round and then straight to the downward part. And as usual we did in the front, we have to draw this V shape. And ta-da! We have done our back portion very well. So let me do it with sketch to make it properly clear and to show you how to make the curves smoothly. So it is very important to have a good hand, and for that you need to do a lot of practice. So this is how you have to do after practice, smoothly and speed up. You can see the difference. In the front figure, what we give is the bust area, the knees, but here we have to give the hips and remove the bust area. Also, in the heels, we can see the difference. Here the back portion of heels are visible, but in the front there is no back portion. This is how we make our back flesh croquis. And done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel.